Let's see how we can automate finding Airbnb host contact information. So I have one demo Airbnb listing here, which I see it's hosted by Dante, and we have a couple of co-hosts here in this Airbnb listing. So what I do is I grab this URL, and here in this automation workflow, I drop this URL, execute the workflow, and what happens in the background is first we are going to scrape the listing data. Includes listing title, for example, description, address, host, if it's a company, co-host data, etc. Based on this information, we make a decision. If this is a company, we use Perplexity API to find the company contact information, etc. If not, which in this case, this is an individual person, the main host is individual person, we go through this branch of our workflow, our automation, and we check the internet if this Airbnb listing has a direct booking website. If it does, we extract contact information from direct booking website. In this case, it doesn't have. So what we are going to do, the next step is we are going to check if the Airbnb listing has co-hosts. And if yes, if there are a couple of co-hosts who are a company, we use them as a contact information, find those companies' contact information, and get that data. So in this case, there are a couple of co-hosts which are company. That's why we went through this branch, and it provided the phone number, email address, the actual address of the property management company, and their URL. Let's find another example here. For example, let's say we want to go to Miami, finding a couple of hosts there. And I want to find, for example, this one. It says hosted by Ulcer Hotel Miami. So let's grab this URL, drop it in this workflow. So what I'm showing you is a demo of our automation, but our UI takes care of replacing this URL. So I save, and when I run the workflow, so it should go through the first branch because this is a company. As we see, it's Elser Hotel Miami, so it's a company. So we can go through the internet and find the contact information for that company. So in this case, we can enrich our information about host if you want to offer any services or anything to them. This automation can take care of thousands of Airbnb listing URLs at the same time. So let's see. It says the elsterhotel.com. So this looks good. So actually, for you to see, this is actually working. So if I go to this URL, it should work out. And as we see, this is exactly the same property management company we found. And what else? So this should be the email address, Miami, Florida, the address. So everything looks good. Reservation at theulsterhotel.com. Excellent. So this is a demo of the automation of how to find Airbnb hosts information.